Joms TV Media on a beautiful Wednesday afternoon, and we're on our way to Alabang, Philinvest, to meet si Sir Darwin of All About Cars. Very nice. Ito, very exciting tong ano na to. Kasi he's also a media partner. He's also a media for the car culture, for the car community. Kaya i-check out nyo, ayan yung Facebook niya. Check out his works. Ayan, yan yung Facebook niya. Check out his works. He's a mobile photographer. Ang gaganda ng gawa niya. And we're very fortunate and so thankful na napagbigyan niya tayo sa ating invite to feature him and to get to know him about his cars, and of course yung kung paano siya nahilig sa kotse. Alright, so this will be a beautiful event. Please like and subscribe this channel so we could create more videos like this. Alright, thank you very much. Have a great week. Maraming salamat to all the subscribers and sa mga nagko-comment. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Very thankful talaga ako as always. Thank you very much. Have a great day. God bless. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so yun na siya. Alright, Joms TV Media, we're here at Kickstand Cafe and Brew at kasama na natin si Sir Darwin of All About Cars and Club 710. Yun. Thank you for your time.
Hello, good afternoon sa mga subscribers and followers ni Joms TV Media. Finally, natuloy na rin.
Natuloy na din, sobrang tagal. Happy New Year, guys. Okay, yun. So, sobrang ano na to, much awaited na tong interview na to kasi matagal na supposed to be to. Kaya lang, ang daming ginawa pang nangyari, ang dami pang ganap. Ayun, and we're very thankful kay Sir Darwin. May pasok pa to mamaya, guys, ha. May pasok pa to, pinagbigyan lang niya tayo today na para sa interview na to.
Anything for our brother.
Sir, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Sobra talaga. Sobrang thank you. Solid. Guys, i-add niyo yung Facebook niya kasi makikita niyo yung mga shots niya doon. Guys, mobile photographer yan, ha. Pero yung pitik niya pang DJ cam. Yun, ganun kalupitsan. Anyway, alright. Sir Darwin, kailan nag-start yung hilig mo sa kotse?
Sa cars, matagal na. Ever since, siguro, high school.
Okay.
I remember na first car na na-drive ko is yung owner type na Jeep.
Parang lahat yun, ha?
I think lahat tayo. And then, I can also remember na yung first license ko na kumuha ng from student to non-pro. Dito yan sa may LTO Binyan Kanlalay.
Tsaka illegal pa yun.
Ipapa-test drive ka ng owner type na Jeep. Tapos, pagdating doon, paupuin ka lang, pasado ka na.
Talaga ba?
That was back in the days, of course, siguro mga 1996, 97.
Imagine nyo na kung gaano kabata si Sir Darwin.
Yeah, and then after noon, yun na, nakahilig sa cars. Mga cousins ko.
Okay.
They have a lot of collection of cars. Pero mostly Mitsubishi sila. We have a vintage Mitsubishi Galant.
Sa inyo pa?
Until now, na nandun pa. Then, sa
anong Galant? Sigma, Lambda? Colt?
Super Galant. Super. Yung Super Saloon.
Yung 90s na.
Yung 90s na, yung mahaba.
Yung mahaba, yeah.
Then meron kaming, until now, nasa lolo ko pa rin yung Mitsubishi na GLXI na iklog.
Oo. Nasa inyo pa rin?
Very stock siya, very stock. Hindi siya masyadong nagagamit. Even yung ilaw niya, napaka-clear pa kasi hindi siya nagagamit sa gabi. So that's yun yung pinaka niya. Tapos garage queen talaga siya.
Pilitin natin si Sir Darwin na baka pwede ma-feature yun.
We'll see. Inaawitan ko na nga yung lolo ko na yun para ma-restore kasi may some na siya sa paint
Okay.
Medyo corroded na. So, maganda na i-restore na ulit. Pero it's stock as in interior, exterior, nothing has been touched. Suspension is good. Sounds is good. The engine is still good. So, yun. Then, ito, pagdating ng college, nagkaroon tayo ng sasakyan, then nakaibigan, a lot of supercars. Then I went to Singapore. Of course, same thing. A lot of supercars.
Normal yun dun eh.
No,
Which is normal there eh.
Ferrari, you can drive a Ferrari, you can drive a Lamborghini.
Yeah.
You can see them every day.
Correct.
Then, ito na, nung pagbalik ko dito sa Philippines, me and my wife decided na why not try to get a project car. Then that's when I saw the Civic.
Yung Civic 7 Gen.
I'll be sending you the pictures of the status nung kinuha ko yun.
Yan yung mga yan.
Nung kinuha ko yung car. Kasi kapitbahay lang ng wife ko yung may-ari.
Okay.
So it's from Dumaguete. The car's from Dumaguete. It's from Honda Cebu, Talisay.
Okay.
So it's from there. Nag-biyahe siya ng Dumaguete, and it's the second owner was a foreigner. It's a
Okay.
foreigner. That's why the plate number starts with Y.
Okay.
Mostly lahat ng Y. Even maraming Civics and maraming EK hatches, maraming import cars na letter Y ang simula.
All the while, I thought it was a personalized plate.
No.
Hindi pala.
No.
Alright. Okay.
It's from Cebu. It's from
Cebu.
Region 7.
Okay.
And then from there, yeah, maraming inisip na concept for that car. Nag-try pa ako mag-spoon team, pero sabi ko
guys, yun yung dahilan kung bakit tayo nagtagal. Ngayon lang tayo na-shoot. Kasi dahil sa team ni,
sabi ko, first, racing build. Then, sabi ko, sige, balik natin sa stock. Then, na-influence tayo by one of our members from HCP and Club 7 Gen. Then, that's where I saw and got introduced by this Ferio, Civic Ferio.
Tama.
So now it's Civic inspired.
Okay.
Ferio.
Okay,
Ferio
talking
X.
about Ferio. Dito sa Philippines, hindi yan common, di ba?
No.
Ferio is what?
Ferio is mostly Japan-made. It started also in Civic 5th Gen.
Okay.
So meron 5th Gen Ferio. Like, if you could see yung swirl na na rims nila.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Sa ESI.
ESI, yeah.
Nag-start sa ESI. And then sa EG na hatch, meron din na Ferio build.
So, Ferio is a build?
Yeah, it's a build.
Oh,
meron
okay.
siyang team, pero it's really Japan.
Okay.
It's not, it has never been released here sa Philippines, ang Ferio. Never.
Okay. So, just
it's
Japan
lang.
lang.
Japan
And
lang
I believe
siya.
US?
I think some. Pero meron na akong nakita, may nag-vlog na umabot siya ng Pakistan. Which is very, very rare na umabot ang Ferio doon.
So, it's one of the reason kung bakit yan din yung pinili mo i-build because it's rare.
No, it's rare din. Of course, maganda kasi yung appearance niya. I'll be sending you the video kung saan ako nag-copy.
Pero for sure, it's challenging mag-build.
Challenging kasi number one, yung parts niya, napakahirap kunin.
Okay.
And then, hindi siya common.
Alright.
Hindi siya common. Kung titignan mo siya as a 7th gen,
Yeah.
yes, it is. Pero kung you are a purista or you call it yung talagang nakakaalam, malalaman nila if it's a Ferio or not.
Talaga?
Kasi
So, may specific look siya?
may specific talaga siya.
Okay.
That's why we just call it Ferio inspired. Kasi kung talagang Ferio siya, maraming parts dito na hindi mo talaga makikita.
And that's the reason kung bakit ako nang-enjoy sa ginagawa ko. Kasi I am learning about all these builds, different builds. Especially sa Honda, maraming different builds no?
Yes.
Mayroon spoon build, tama ba?
Spoon build, yes.
Mugen, Modulo.
Yeah. Yan yung talagang mostly Japan. And then of course, naglabasan na yung mga tie-up with Type 1.
Okay.
And then spoon.
Yeah.
So, yun talaga.
Okay. So, Ferio is really based in Japan? Okay.
It's one of the concept of Civics.
Oh, guys, natutuwa talaga ako.
Pero I think ang Ferio, if I'm not mistaken, I think nag-stop siya sa 7th Gen.
7th Gen na?
I think, I'm not sure kung lumabas na Ferio edition sa FD.
Oh guys, feel free to comment kung saan nag-stop yung Ferio production ba? Or
Ferio X.
Ferio X. O yun. Kung saan nag-stop para we could also be informed dun sa sa information about Ferio.
Yeah.
Sir, bakit mga Honda?
Honda, mabait kasi ako eh. Hindi, di ba? Marami nagsasabi na pag Honda ka daw eh, ano ka?
Oo. Boy.
Ex-boy.
Boy.
Ex-boy.
Ano, hindi totoo yun.
Hindi naman totoo yun.
Kasi magagalit si Moab pag ano.
Shout out to Moab. Mababait tayo, brother, di ba?
Ano daw, kotse na mga loyal.
Oo, kaya nga nag-clear tint na ako.
Oo nga pala, no? Na-meet ko si Sir. Saan ba tayo nagkakilala?
Perpetual?
South Unite.
South Unite,
South Unite, yun.
South Unite, yung kanilang car meet for a cause.
For a cause. Doon ko siya na nakilala si Sir. At saka yung group niya before, yung Civic 7 Gen. Yan. Doon ko sila nakilala. And, yun na, doon na nag-start yung aming friendship. At saka, pares kami ng interest. Media. Nung nag-start ako ng this channel, ito nakakatawa, just give you guys a little bit of, yung aming bonding. Nung nag-start siya ng media, natuwa ako. Kasi may mga kasama na ako na kapit-bahay, malapit kami. At saka at the same time, meron na akong tatawagan kung saan yung mga ganap.
Yes.
Kasi pag nag-uumpisa ka, you have to have network. And I'm very fortunate and very happy kasi sila yung mga friends ko na ngayon. Naging friends ko and we became family. Shout out kala Chinga.
Chinga, of course.
Of course, South Junction, kala Moab, kala Cars Plus Coffee, kay Sir Carlo. Yun, hanggang sa lumaki na yung grupo, kala Sir Johnsky, Clean Build, Clean Culture. Yeah, naging family na. And sobrang saya pag nagkikita
from the South.
From the South, yeah.
Nagka-idea ako, to be honest, nagka-idea ako all about cars is because I have a lot of pictures of cars sa aking phone. Even when I went to
Singapore,
Thailand, Japan, Singapore. Sabi ko, saan ko idadump tong idadump tong mga pictures na to? So,
kasi you love taking pictures. Okay.
So, I started browsing my phone. Umabot nga na siya ng 10,000 pictures.
Okay.
Not just in one phone, may others pa ako na na-transfer pa sa laptop ko. Sabi ko, anong gagawin ko? Sayang naman. It's a collection of pictures taken of cars around Asia. And until now, I'm still shooting it. And then at the time, sabi ko, why not come up with a page?
Yeah, correct.
Buo ako ng page. Then, the first time that I tried to shoot cars na event na set up ko na.
Oh, which event pala?
Is a Distorted Torque. Kaya thankful ako kay Jasper. Ayala Mall, Manila Bay.
Oh.
Doon nag-start. After ko mag-post.
Magkasama tayo noon, di ba?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
On that day.
Tama.
You saw me there.
Yeah.
Napakainit pa noon.
Sobrang init kasi parang mid-summer tayo. Mid-year of last year, no?
Yeah, mga mid-year. So, from there, doon parang nag-boom yung page. Suddenly, nag-shoot up lahat ng followers.
Guys, ang followers yan, nakakagulat. Sobrang dami.
Thankful, nasa 2K plus.
2,000 followers. Pero may YouTube channel ka?
Wala pa.
So you're planning to put up a YouTube channel?
If you're willing to do a podcast with me, why not?
Naku, mahirap yan. Hindi ko expertise yan. Ang sa podcast na lang, yayain na lang natin of course,
si Moab.
Moto TV. Pero yun, I would love to work and I'm excited for that. I would love to work sa inyo, especially on that. Kasi masaya nga. Kasi yung bonding namin, like yung recent event, yung kay Sir Johnsky, yung Go Factory, ang dami namin na nabuo
First ever car meet ni Sir Johnsky.
Congratulations sa'yo, Sir Johnsky. Sobrang successful ng event. And ang dami namin na pag-usapan doon ng mga plano, mga gagawin nila.
Correct.
Nag-brainstorming na sila. Ang dami nilang naisip.
No to brand wars.
Yun yung isa dun sa mga no to brand wars. Kaya nakakatuwa. Kasi from different brands sila. Pero pag kami magkakasama.
Yeah, dito naman no holds bar.
No
Of
holds
course,
bar, yeah.
Andyan ang golf.
Yes.
Andyan ang Motul.
Yep. Valvoline. Yeah.
Gusto pa nga yata nila yung
Ravenol. Oo, shoutout sa mga inyo ha.
Baka may pumasok pang Castrol.
May Castrol pa. Ayan, baka yung mga big players natin like Shell, Petron, and Caltex.
Correct.
Nandyan din. Ayun, and we're here to promote the car community. And I'm so happy na naging friend ko si Sir Darwin of All About Cars is because we share the same passion. And we share the same language. So pag nakakita kami ng kotse, guys, meron pinicturan yan. Sobra ako nag-comment. May Ferrari siya na pinicturan. Nakakala ko, nakabili na siya ng Ferrari. Yung pala laruan lang. Ayun guys, isasend yung picture. Ayan, yan. Sobrang akala ko talaga totoo. Ganun siya kagaling. Sobrang na-admire ko yung mga pictures niya. Check it out. Check niyo yung ano niya, yung Facebook page niya. It's All About Cars.
It's All About Cars. Ang aking cover photo doon is Ferrari ni Miss Angie King.
Okay.
Yung Saudi na Ferrari.
Saudi na Ferrari.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's a top down.
Yan. Guys, ito. Yan yung Facebook page niya. Yun. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Sobrang pag nagkakasama kami ito, nagbe-message kami pag may mga events, saan ka pupunta.
And the good thing about the car community right now, it's left and right.
Yes.
Left and right. I think it started after the pandemic.
Correct.
Siguro nasabik lahat ng tao.
Yeah.
And then right now, young kids also are getting involved with car community.
Oh yeah,
car
yeah,
clubs.
Definitely.
To be honest, when I attended an event, car meet with Honda Club Philippines in BGC, grabe ang mga drivers ng mga sasakyan.
Puro bata talaga.
Puro bata. It's
Sobrang
either talagang sila enthusiast or mga fathers nila talagang pinadrive lang sa mga anak nila. Pero grabe ang babata ng mga drivers ngayon.
So ito na yata yung mga anak ng mga legends of the 90s.
Mga pinapadrive sa kanila yung mga FL5.
Wow.
mga EK Hatch. Mga bata na.
Sobrang nakakatuwa. Kasi talaga nakakatuwa talaga yung generation. I mean, sobrang nakita na yung nag-evolve talaga yung generation from the cars, kung paano mag-setup, and especially dun sa crowd, ngayon na pinupuntahan natin, no?
Yes.
Sobrang nakakatuwa,
and the good thing here is you build your own build.
Yes.
No? Walang pintasan, walang kantsawan. Sabi nga ni Moab, you do whatever makes you happy. Yeah. So at the end naman, ikaw naman ang sasakay dyan sa sasakyan mo. So do whatever you do, you make yourself happy, make yourself proud, no? Of course, sa car community naman, accepted naman lahat ng
lahat ng build.
Lahat ng builds, and of course, ng appreciation ng build, no? For dun sa mga car clubs naman, meron tayo, of course, may mga specifics like sa Euro, enthusiasts, of course, they have their period correct.
Yes, so
mga kailangan gawin. Same thing with JDM.
JDM,
They also have their period correct. So, of course, doon.
And even Thai culture.
Thai culture. Marami rin, mga friends natin na Thai concept. So, they also have their period correct. Of course, dun sa mga yon, they have a inner concept or deeper aspect of car, especially in the car industry.
Sobrang nakakatuwa.
So, marami tayong natututunan, and of course, ang nakakatuwa, it's here in the South. North, marami rin sa North, pero ang North din kasi ngayon, pag nagkaroon sila ng car meet.
Oh, yeah.
All out na rin all out.
Oh.
So, it's a battle of North and South. But of course, pag nagsama-sama naman yan, it's a one big event.
It's a one big event. Which is, abangan niyo guys, kasi meron yata pinaplano yung mga organizer. Shoutout sa mga organizer ng car meet.
Yes,
Sobrang nakakatuwa sila. Hindi na namin ma-mention kasi ang dami nyo na. Ang dami nyo na, pero you know who you are. We wanna make a big shoutout sa inyo kasi kung wala rin kayo, wala rin kaming mga media na pupuntahan.
Correct.
Na event. Kumbaga, mapipitik na lang kami dyan sa mga kotse sa kalye. Car spotting na lang. Pero yun, salamat sa inyo. It's really Happy kami sa nangyayari ngayon sa car community and everybody's united regardless of the brand, regardless of the build. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Kaya yun, sobrang thankful kami nila All About Cars sa mga organizers. And especially
Thank you sa inyo.
sa mga shops din na nagbibigay inspire.
I think one of the next event that I'll be attending is in the north. All About Cars will go to the north, and it's Honda Nation Philippines.
Ano to sir? One
Day.
big event, Honda Day.
Honda Day. Yeah, nakailan na ang Honda Day. I think ito na yung pang 12 nila Honda Day.
Okay.
By Sir Carl Martin. Shoutout sa iyo. So now it will be held in SM Pampanga.
SM Pampanga. Anong date to, sir?
It's on January 25, and
Okay.
that's in the parking lot of SM Pampanga.
Okay.
Last Honda Day, it was last year, I think November,
Okay.
sa Maple Grove. Yeah.
Dito?
Yeah, in
Ay,
Gentry.
before magano yun, no? Before Christmas?
Yeah,
before Christmas.
And of course, nandun din ang mga friends natin like Chinga, Moab,
Yeah.
Moab ang host. And of course, Sir Carl. And then this one is sponsored by Motul.
Motul. Alright. Okay. So guys, alam ko, marami kaming gustong pag-usapan but unfortunately, marami pang gagawin si Sir Darwin. Marami pa siyang gagawin. Pero you could catch up, you could check his page, Facebook,
Instagram wala pa.
wala pa.
Facebook
TikTok.
pa lang muna, Facebook.
TikTok, hindi ka pa nagtitiktok?
Hindi pa.
Di ba? Ako baka yung magtitiktok.
Facebook muna para ma-concentrate muna natin ng Facebook.
Ayan.
But I'm trying to do reels right now.
Okay.
Short clips, videos. It's all for free. Minsan nakakita ako ng mga cars na pwede kong i-video or
Yeah.
pwede kong kunan. Of course, I ask permission dun sa may-ari
Yeah.
din.
Saka if you wanna your car to be featured ng pictures and video,
Pwede naman.
pwede naman, di ba, sir?
Just DM my page.
Yes, yan.
Then let's try to where can we meet.
Yan.
We'll try to feature your cars.
Kami Sir Darwin, we believe in collaboration. Kumbaga kung ano yung strength niya, strength ko, strength na ibang media, we collaborate and put a big show, beautiful show just for you guys.
Correct.
Alright? Okay, check naman natin yung kotse ni Sir Darwin na nandun. Yun, no? Yan, yun. Yan, yung kanyang Civic 7th Gen. Okay. Oh guys, please like and subscribe this channel so we could create and interview people like Sir Darwin and we could feature more cars and events and shops and a lot car community. Yun. Any message, sir?
Anyway, thank you so much, Joms TV Media.
It's our pleasure, sir.
Please like and subscribe his channel. And of course, please like and subscribe All About Cars.
And share and follow.
And share and
Yan.
follow. Keep on tagging those owners
Yes.
of the pictures that I take. Same with Joms.
Yeah.
Please like it.
Sobrang-
Sharing is caring. Yun
Yes,
ang
sobrang
sinasabi
inspiring talaga ng mga pictures niya. No? Lalo na pag yung picture niya yung putol-putol, pero buo na is in one frame. Sobrang galing nun. Sobrang bilib ako dun. Sobrang salang nakita ko na ganun. At saka iba, meron na rin gumagawa. Pero sa kanya ko una nakita yon. Alright. Thank you very much,
Alright.
Sir Darwin. Maraming salamat for your time. Thank you. God bless. God bless your family. Yung lahat ng gagawin mo.
Shout out
and then,
sa aking wife and my 2 kids.
ayan. Shout out na lagi natin nakakasama tuwing event.
Of course,
Family-oriented.
I would like to thank also some people.
Ayan pala.
Of course, yung how I started the car. Of course, my wife, and then my 2 kids, and then sa car clubs communities. Special mention to Mervin Magbita of 7th Gen Philippines. Then ang aking mother club right now, which is Honda Club Philippines. Sir Charles, and then ang aking main club, which is Club 7th Gen. We are under Honda Club Philippines.
Yun.
And a lot of friends right now like RJ, Ken, Michael, Rain, and Vincent. Sila mga kasama ko ngayon sa car club. Yeah, kakonti lang kami because we believe na quality first.
First, yeah.
So yun yung aim muna namin for now. We don't mind kahit konti lang kami, but at least we're trying to be solid.
Solid, yeah.
So
That's great.
Ginagage muna namin lahat. And of course, yung mga OGs ng Club 7 Gen, ang aming president right now is nasa nasa Qatar, si Sir Isaiah. So, shoutout sa iyo.
Shoutout sa iyo, sir. Yeah.
Shoutout sa iyo. And then, of course, ang aming Honda Club president, si Sir Charles.
Yun. Alright. Thank you for your time talaga, sir. Thank you for this Wednesday afternoon. Alam ko may pasok ka time. Thank you very much.
No worries,
Oh, wait. Thank you. God bless and have a great day. And please like and subscribe our channel and of course, All About Cars Facebook page. Alright. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless. And maraming salamat sa inyo. Bye.
Okay, let's go.
And of course, we would like to thank Kickstand for allowing us to shoot here. Yan. So, papunta na tayo dun sa kotse ni Sir Darwin. Yan.
Kaibigan ko pa yata yung may-ari.
Oo. Kaibigan pa yata ni Sir Darwin yung may-ari. Okay guys, ito yung kotse niya.